Good morning everyone, we are Group 4. In our video, you'll learn about how important cleaning and sanitizing kitchen tools and utensils for our health and also how easy it is to do. But firstly, cleaning and sanitizing food contact surfaces are important to remove food that bacteria needs to grow and kill those bacteria in present. The food we consume will be cleaner and safer for us that also prevent illness and viruses. Some steps you need to do in cleaning and sanitizing kitchen tools and utensils. But firstly, you need to organize your kitchen area so you can do your work easily and prevent accidents to happen.
Step number 1. Remove loose dirt and food debris from the tools, then rinse them with water.
Wash the tools and utensils using a sponge and dishwater. Step 3. Rinse them with water.
Step number 4. Place the tools and utensils in a container. Step number 5. Pour hot water to sanitize and let them sit in the water for at least 2 minutes.
Let them on a dry rack. Let the tools and utensils air dry.
Last but not the least, step number 7. Store the tools and utensils properly.